hackathon, we have built a voting app which uses blockchain. So in a democratic country, voting is a very serious event. And in today's era, even though we are living in such a high-tech era, most of the countries are either using paper-based system, or in India we are using an electronic voting system. All of this system has a are suspicious in terms of they can be tempered by the external factors. So what we have thought of doing is we have thought of using blockchain to decentralize the whole process and make it as transparent as possible. So to make this step, we have used Ganesh Truffle to make an in-memory blockchain, and for the front end we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and to communicate in between them we have used Web3. Now, although we cannot make this feature this hackathon, but we are keen on adding the face authentication to make it more robust. Now we will go to the live demonstration of our project. So first of all, we will run our Ganesh. And quick start it. Now we'll open our root repository and run terminal in there. Now we'll migrate the project, migrate. It basically incorporates all the changes if we have done any. Now we'll run our local server. This will make our live web locally. So now you can see the app is locally running. Now we'll go to a Ganesh and connect a user to a MetaMask to import account. So basically user has to enter a private key there, and as you can see there are 10 users here, and we are using the first user and entering it private key to log in into MetaMask. So this is a kind of an authentication system to make sure that the legit user is casting the vote. You can see that there are Ethereums in his account. Now the user can vote. So suppose he choose Arvind Kejriwal and cast his vote. Now he'll confirm. See, transaction is complete, and the vote after reloading, the vote has been casted. It's one in front of Arvind Kejriwal, and the current user doesn't have any option to vote again. So similarly, the other users can do also the same thing to cast our vote again and again, and the final result can be calculated in the same way. So thank you. This is our project. Voting.